Hi everyone, and welcome to the first video of 2024. I'd like to wish you all a happy new year and hope you had a very good Christmas break. So what we're going to be looking at in this video? Well, we're going to be looking at how I'm progressing on with the station rebuild, and following that, some new arrivals to Medway, including what I got for Christmas. Then we'll have a look at a bit of rail tour footage that I got when I was at Strood Station on my way off to the football, and a rail tour pass through. So let's have a look at that. I decided to use these scale model scenery single-sided straight platforms for the project, and for help with construction I use the Deluxe Materials laser cut glue. This gave us a first framework, and as you can see there's nice supports going across it. I put the platform topping on, and that gave quite a sturdy construction. As you can see, there are holes in the supports, and that enables you to feed wire through if you've got lighting, which I will be putting on. Here are a few sections joined together, and they are quite sturdy when they're put together. Next up, I used a scale model scenery paving and gave that a initial blast of grey primer, and then rubbed over just a black wash, and as you can see that has brought out the joints in the paving. I added again the scale model scenery tactile paving strips, and just to put along the edge, and here we see the final result with the paving strips added onto it. Lots more detail, need to just finish those off. Right, okay, what did I get for Christmas? So first up is the Hornby Railroad Plus Class 47. As you can see, it's already fitted with the HM7000 TXS sound decoder. I did give it a little try when I got it, and it all worked well, so I sent it up to Rob at Boomerang Junction, and he's put some lights in there for me and added a little bit more weight. And we'll in due course see that running. And next up was in fact I got two Hornby VTG TEA wagons. If anybody's interested, there's the code. And yeah, I was pleased with those. I should get those running as well. And then as a little extra bonus, I think because I spent over £100, I got a free Hornby Route Master bus. So that was the railway related Christmas items at Medway. Okay guys, axle reamer from DCC Concepts, just to help with those wagons that haven't got bearings and might be just a little draggy on running. Here's a Simitar 3D kit. I'm going to put that together, paint it, and that will go with my war flat wagons. And lastly, an SPA kit. This will accompany my Kerner ready to run uh, wagon that I've already got, and I'll have a go at building this kit and just see how we get on. So here we are. That's the end of the first update for 2024. Thank you very much, as always, for watching and your support from last year and the previous years. There'll be lots more content to come, the station rebuild and some extras, so keep a lookout for some new videos. And it goes without saying, as to all the best to everybody for 2024. Many thanks for the new subscribers that have come on board. I hope you're enjoying what you're seeing, that you'll stay loyal. And finally, let's just finish off with some running shots. Bye.